Flip-flops can be used to store a single bit of binary data, but it cannot be used to store multiple bits of data. For that, we need register. Register is a device which is made by connecting multiple flip-flops, and it is used to store multiple bits of data. And flip-flops are connected to create a register which can store n bit of data. The data from these flip-flops can be shifted by use of shift registers. These shift registers are made by connecting multiple flip-flops, and data can be transferred from these shift registers or out of these shift registers by applying clock pulses. An n-bit shift register can be formed by connecting n flops, where each flip-flops store a single bit of data. The register which will shift the bits to the left are called shift left registers, and the registers which will shift bits right are called shift right registers. There are basically four types of shift registers: serial in, serial out shift registers, serial in, parallel out shift registers, parallel in, serial out shift registers, parallel in, parallel out shift registers. Serial in, serial out shift register. The shift register which allows serial input one bit after the other through the single data line and produces a serial output is known as a serial in, serial out register. Since there is only one output, the data leaves the shift register one bit at a time in a serial pattern. Thus the name serial in, serial out register. The logic circuit given below shows a serial in, serial out shift register. The circuit consists of 4 D flip-flops which are connected in a serial manner. All these flip-flops are synchronous with each other since the same clock signal is applied to each flip-flop. The circuit given below is an example of shift register taking the serial data input from the left side of the flip-flop. The main use of seesaw is to act as a delay element. Serial in, parallel out shift register, SIPO. The shift register which allows serial output and produces a parallel output is known as a serial in, parallel out shift register. The logic circuit given below shows a serial in, parallel out shift register. The circuit consists of 4 D flip-flops which are connected. The clear signal is connected in addition to clock signal to all 4 flip-flops in order to reset them. The output of first flip-flop is connected to the input of the next flip-flop, and so on. All these flip-flops are synchronous with each other since the same clock signal is applied to each flip-flop. The circuit given below is an example of shift right register taking input from left side and of the flip-flop and producing parallel output. They are used in communication line where demultiplexing of data line into several parallel line is required because the main use of SIPO register is to convert serial data into parallel data. Parallel in, serial out shift register. The shift register which allows parallel input and produces a serial output is known as parallel in, serial out shift register. The logic circuit given below shows a parallel in, serial out shift register. The circuit consists of 4 D flip-flop which are connected. The clock input is directly connected to all flip-flops, but the input data is connected individually to each flip-flop through a multiplexer. At the input of every flip-flop, the output of previous flip-flop and parallel data input are connected to the input of the MUX, and the output of MUX is connected to the next flip-flop. All these flip-flops are synchronous with each other since the same clock signal is applied to each flip-flop. A parallel in, serial out shift register is used to convert parallel data into serial data. Parallel in, parallel out shift register. The shift register which allows parallel input and also produces parallel output is known as parallel in, parallel out shift register. The logic circuit given below shows a parallel in, parallel out shift register. The circuit consists of 4 D flip-flops which are connected. The clear signal and the clock signal are connected to all 4 flip-flops. In this type of register, there are no interconnections between individual flip-flops since no serial shifting of the data is required. Data is given as input separately in each flip-flop. In the same way, the output is collected individually from each flip-flop. A parallel in parallel out shift register is used as temporary storage device, and like CISO shift register, it acts as a delay element. Bidirectional shift register. If we shift a binary number to left by one position, it is equivalent to multiplying the number by 2, and if we shift a binary number to the right by one position, it is equivalent to dividing the number by 2. To perform these operations, we need a register which can shift data in either direction. Bidirectional shift registers are registers which are capable of shifting data in either left or right, depending on the mode selected. If the mode selected is 1, which is high, the data will be shifted towards right direction, and if the mode selected is 0, which is low, the data will be shifted towards left direction. The logic circuit given below is a bidirectional shift register. The circuit consists of 4 D flip-flops which are connected. The input data is connected at two ends of the circuit, and depending on the mode selected, only one gate is in the active state. Shift register counter. Shift register counter are the shift register in which the outputs are connected back to the inputs in order to produce particular sequence. These are basically of two types. Ring counter. A ring counter is basically a shift register counter in which the output of first flip-flop is connected to the next flip-flop and so on, and the output of the last flip-flop is again fed back into the input of the first flip-flop. Thus the name ring counter. The data pattern within the shift register will be circulate as long as clock pulses are applied. The ring counter is generally used because it is self-decoding. No extra decoding circuit is needed to determine what state the counter is in. The logic circuit given below shows a ring counter. The circuit consists of 4 D flip-flops which are connected. Since the circuit consists of 4 flip-flops, the data pattern will repeat after every 4 clock pulses, as shown in the truth table below. Johnson counter. A Johnson counter is basically a shift register counter in which the output of the first flip-flop is connected to the next flip-flop and so on, and the inverted output of the last flip-flop is again fed back to the input of the first flip-flop. They are also known as twisted ring counters. The logic circuit given below shows a Johnson counter. The circuit consists of 4 T flip-flops which are connected. An n-stage Johnson counter yields a count of sequence of 2n different states, thus also known as a mod 2n counter. The main advantage of Johnson counter is that it only needs n number of flip-flops compared to the ring counter to circulate a given data to generate a sequence of 2n states. Since the circuit consists of 4 flip-flops, the data pattern will repeat every 8 clock pulses as shown in truth table below. Applications of shift registers. The shift registers are used for temporary data storage. The shift registers are also used for data transfer and data manipulation. The serial in, serial out, and parallel in, parallel out shift registers are used to produce time delay to digital circuits. The serial in, parallel out shift register is used to convert serial data into parallel data. Thus, they are used in communication line where demultiplexing of data line of a data line into several parallel lines is required. A parallel in serial out shift register is used to convert parallel data into serial data.